Hey everybody, this is Daryl at Hudson'sCustomMachining.com. We're back in the shop again today working on the Robbins and Myers Lollipop fan parts. And we've got everything back together and ready to go back to the customer. This is the one that had the bent shaft, and we were able to straighten the shaft out well enough that it's usable. It had a broken bearing race here. This is the one that had the race that was broken half in two. I think you can see it there where it was broken half in two, and somebody JB welded it back together. So we made the new bearing race here. We put all new ball bearings in each end of it, polished and cleaned up the slip rings here, and this turns nice and smooth, and there's no movement in it this way. So it's all done and ready to go. This is the one that we had to make the new shaft. This is the old shaft that come out of there. And it was just too badly bent to try to waste time trying to straighten it, and didn't want to use that. So we ended up making a new shaft. And we also made a new bearing race here. This is the one that had the bearing race that the section was broken out of it. And I'd made a statement in the first video about I had never had to make a section of this prior in all of my repair work on Lollipop fans. It's always either been this piece or this piece. And I wasn't sure about these two end pieces here, how they came out, but they're just pressed in there. It was not a problem getting them out. They came out just fine. And so we made a new bearing race there. And this is the old one here that was broken. And so we got that pressed into the center section here. I got everything all back together again, and everything's looking good there, ready to go. So that's going to wrap up this project. I hope y'all enjoyed watching this video and hope it was informative. And y'all stay tuned. We appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all subscribing, and we'll catch y'all again later. Y'all take care.